Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making stir-fried Chinese sausage with green pepper. Let's get right to it. To start, slice Chinese sausages at about 45-degree knife angle. Also cut green peppers into thin slices. Slice a part of large green onion. Heat a pan on medium heat and add cooking oil. Add minced garlics and green onions. Stir until fragrant. Add sausage slices and stir until they change color. Then add cooking wine and green peppers. Stir and pour light soy sauce. Serve in a plate and stir-fried Chinese sausage with green pepper is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.